If you want to enable Face ID on iPhone, then go to settings here, scroll down and go to this option Face ID and passcode. You have to enter the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone. After that, tap on this option Set up Face ID. Now select this option Get Started. Now you have to place your face in front of the camera and then you have to move your head in circle. So let me do it. Now the iPhone camera has already captured my face. Now if you want to unlock your iPhone with your Face ID while you are wearing a mask, then you can select this option, Use Face ID with a mask. And then again you have to show your face to the camera and move your head in circles. You don't need to wear a mask for this one. You just simply show your face to the camera and move your head in circles. Now you can see Face ID is now set up. Select Done. The Face ID is set up, and this Face ID you can use to unlock your iPhone for iTunes and App Store purchase, for payment, for password autofill, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.